Today we're going to learn how to travel with all of your beads. Most people bead and travel at the same time. This is my normal setup for beads. I've got a box in here, I've got some smaller boxes, all my organization boxes, my pliers, my wire, all in one big tackle box. If you don't have room for a gigantic tackle box in your car with all your other stuff, then I suggest a smaller box. This box is great because you've got the benefit of the different organized containers, but you also have a handle. And if you want to really separate your beads, you can carry them in little bags, which is fabulous, and a lot of beads are sold like that. The only thing you really have to pay attention to is that these locks are actually closed, because you wouldn't want all of these little beads to be all over your car. That can be a messy situation. So travel safe, bring your towel so the beads don't fly everywhere, travel safe, bead a lot, and that's how you travel with beads.